Alright, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in to another video and supporting the channel here at Bmw M4. Just hitting the gym. Well, just got off work, gonna go to the gym, hit some legs, and just staying active. It's Wednesday today, so getting through the week, you know? Getting through the week. Should be a pretty relaxing weekend ahead, and yeah. We are almost up to 600 subscribers, which is crazy. Growing the channel slowly but surely. Honestly, not even that slow. Pretty quickly, in my opinion. Not as quick as some YouTubers, obviously, but I've been enjoying every step of the way. We are at 588 subscribers at the time of recording this. So I'm super happy. I'm very thankful for you for joining in on the journey, supporting the channel, and helping me reach my goals. So just want to say thank you. But you know, I hope you're out there chasing your goals, whatever those may be. You know, if it's getting a car like this, if it's buying a house, if it's getting a good job, graduating college, starting a family, wherever you're at, just stay consistent, keep working hard, and I think all good things will come in time if you stay consistent. So work's kind of been a drag lately. I'm just a lot going on outside of work. Staying consistent has been difficult some days, but you know, if you do stay consistent, you'll see a lot of good things come your way, I think, and you'll be proud of yourself. You'll look back and you'll see a lot of progress that you made, and that's what life's all about. It's an I-8 right there. I haven't seen an I-8 in forever. Anyways, that's it for me, man. I'm gonna go hit legs today. I kind of tweaked my back last week when I hit legs, so I gotta be a little careful this workout today. Try not to go too heavy, let my ego get ahead of me. But that's it for me. Like I said, I really appreciate all the support, appreciate you watching the channel and motivating me to keep it going. Been getting a lot of nice comments from you guys lately, and you know, just pushing me to keep moving forward. So I don't know where this channel will take me eventually, but you can count on me creating videos for you, driving the whip around, and you know, giving you some nice POV drives. Sometimes I don't feel like talking at all, so you know, you'll get videos like that, but some videos I got a lot to say and share with you, but not much on my mind lately. Car's pretty dirty. Give it a wash soon. We'll get around to that though. But anyways, like I said, appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for a new video probably tomorrow. So until then, drive safe. Peace.